Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, we'll brief you in detail about the simple definition of idioms, their examples, correct usage according to the situation, as well as syntaxes. For example, if your friend is performing in a play and you wish him good luck, you can express your emotions by saying break a leg. It means that you are wishing him all the success. Next, another example, under the weather, is an idiom universally understood to mean sick or ill. If you say you're feeling under the weather, you don't really mean that you are standing underneath the rain. Here are a few more examples of idioms. Beat around the bush means to avoid saying something important or difficult. Example, don't beat around the bush, come to the point. Next, a blessing in disguise means something that seems bad but turns out to be good later. Example, not getting into that university may be a blessing in disguise. I don't think you'd have been happy there. Next, hit the sack means used to describe going to bed. Example, I feel tired. I'm going to hit the sack now. Next, miss the boat means to act too slowly and miss an opportunity. It could be a good job that may turn prosper you with name, fame, pride in the offing. Example, if you don't apply for funding now, we'll probably miss the boat. Next, once in a blue moon, used to describe something that happens rarely but not frequently. Example, I only see her once in a blue moon. Next, the ball is in your court. Example, used to indicate that a decision is up to you, must make the next move in a negotiation. Next, piece of cake means a thing that is very easy or simple. Example, the exam was a piece of cake. Next, kick one's heels means to have nothing to do while waiting for something. Example, she spent an hour kicking her heels waiting for the next train. Next, cost an arm and a leg means to cost/pay a large sum of money. Example, the repairs cost an arm and a leg. Next, call it a day means to decide or agree to stop doing something. Example, after 40 years in politics, I think it's time for me to call it a day. That means to retire. Next, to some extent means to the degree specified. Example, to some extent, we are all responsible for what has happened. Next, wrap your head around something means try to understand something complicated. Example, I can't wrap my head around this math problem. Next, pull someone's leg means to play a joke or to make fun of someone. Example, don't worry, I was only pulling your leg. Cut no ice with somebody. To have little or no effect or influence on somebody. Example, his excuses cut no ice with me. So that's all for today. Hope to join you soon. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.